Hi, it's Guy with Gauge Safe Products, and I am in the truck. I've just installed the dash cam that we're taking a look at, and I'm going to be doing some day shots and some night shots in the near future. I'm going to flip the camera around and kind of show you where I installed this camera, just so you can get an idea. So let me move the camera, flip it around, and you can see what I did is I installed it behind the rear view mirror. So I've got the left lens going out the side door and the right lens going out front. Now, to be compliant with state law, it cannot extend below the mirror and be in the view or to obstruct the view while you're driving. And that, as far as I know, that goes for all 50 states, but you have to check your own state as far as what is legal placement for a dash cam. So it's just tucked in behind the mirror, and when I get the videos that I want, I will tack them on, and then you'll be able to see what the camera resolution and so forth is, both for the going out to the side driver door and for the front cameras on this dash cam. It's interesting that I think what I'm going to do is take some very thin pinstriping tape, mark where I have set it for the side, and then I might just adjust the left camera forward to get even a better forward view. And then if I actually need the side view shot of someone that's coming up to my side window, I know exactly where to put the camera lens due to the pinstriping tape. And then I know it'll be aligned each time. So that's just a little side note that I think I'm going to do myself, and I will be attaching the other videos to this, and give me some feedback if you like it, you don't like it. I really would like to know what you think about this camera. It's really small, and it gives decent pictures, and it's easy to use. It's so convenient to just pop it up on your cell phone instead of having a monitor in your way. This camera I can completely hide. I don't even know it's there, let alone anyone else. So once I put this video up in the next few days, after you see it, give me some feedback. I'd really like to know what you think about it. So have a great new year, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.